The unique feature of all our yo-yo pods is that they're battery powered for ultimate flexibility and mobility. So let's talk about battery power. First of all, you can power up the LED lighting for up to 3 to 4 days. But then also, if you come around, you can actually power up accessories. This is really important because obviously you're going to have different functions with different multifunctions of whether you want to hold Zoom calls, whether you want to power up your devices with our Bachmann power accessories. And as I said, there's 3 options of battery. The longest being our Bachmann partner, Bachmann Move, which will last up to 3 to 4 days if you're only using the LED lighting. However, if you want to use full functionality in terms of the screen and power up laptops or phones, we recommend between 10 and 12 hours. Now, to recharge the battery, it only takes 2 hours. All you need to do is unplug the mains, drop it through the hole and link to your mains, and for 2 hours, after that, you're fully charged. Other options of battery are available, but they have lower minimum maximum durations. So it's the way forward. Battery power, it gives us ultimate mobility, ultimate agility and ultimate flexibility. Thank you.